Sigel Teresa. I'm 15 years old. I study at Kowang International School, and I'm going to talk about my mother. My mother. God has bestowed upon us many blessings. Mother is one of these blessings. I often feel incomplete without my mother. Mary is the name of my mother. She is a housewife, a verified and responsible one. She takes care of us preciously. She gets up early in the morning, prepares us a healthy breakfast. She recites godly words daily. She washes the laundry and cleans the house frequently. She helps me with my studies. She is a simple woman with a gentle heart. She always helps the poor and those who are in need. I love her very much. In return, I promise myself to always love my mother, for I know that there will never be anyone like her. Thank you all.